If you're looking for a way to scale your remote team effectively, Oyster is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your operations and manage your global workforce. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to use Oyster for scaling remote teams and how it can simplify hiring, compliance, payroll, and more. By the end, you'll understand how to leverage the platform for faster growth without the administrative headaches. Oyster is a global employment platform designed for companies that want to hire remote talent from anywhere in the world, while staying compliant with local laws. Whether you're a startup or an established company, scaling with Oyster can save you tons of time and resources. The platform handles the complexities of international hiring by offering localized contracts, compliance, and payroll processing, which can often be a daunting task for companies hiring remotely. To get started with Oyster, you'll first need to create an account, which is quick and simple. Once you've signed up, you can start adding your team members. Oyster allows you to hire employees as contractors or full-time workers, depending on your needs. You simply select the country where you want to hire, and the platform will generate the necessary contracts and ensure you comply with that country's labor laws. The platform is also equipped with a robust onboarding system that helps your remote team get up to speed quickly. It includes document management, tax forms, and payment details. Everything you need to get your team set up and ready to work, regardless of their location. This is a huge benefit for scaling remote teams, as it saves your HR team from handling all the paperwork manually. When it comes to payroll, Oyster makes it seamless to pay your employees in their local currency, while automatically managing deductions for taxes, social security, and other local benefits. This is a game changer for scaling a global workforce, as it eliminates the need for dealing with multiple payroll systems or worrying about compliance issues in each country. One of the biggest challenges of scaling a remote team is maintaining compliance with each country's unique labor laws. Oyster takes care of this for you. The platform automatically updates with changes in local regulations, so you don't have to worry about staying on top of ever-evolving laws. This helps you avoid costly mistakes that could lead to fines or legal issues. As you scale your team, Oyster also allows you to manage all your employees from a centralized dashboard. This dashboard gives you an overview of each team member's contracts, payment status, and performance reviews. You can keep track of who is working where, how they're paid, and their work history, everything in one place. This level of organization is crucial when you have a large distributed team, and it keeps everything running smoothly as your business grows. Another powerful feature of Oyster is its ability to help you manage benefits. You can easily offer benefits like healthcare, retirement plans, and stock options tailored to different countries and regions. This ensures your employees have the benefits they need without you having to navigate the complexities of offering benefits across multiple countries. And if you're worried about the financial aspects of scaling a remote team, Oyster provides insights and reports that help you track expenses and stay within budget. You can monitor your spending on salaries, benefits, and other team-related costs, helping you make data-driven decisions as your remote team grows. If you're wondering about the cost of Oyster, the platform is designed to be affordable, and you can get started for free by clicking the first link in the description below. By using this link, you'll also get access to an exclusive extended free trial, so you can test out all the features and see how Oyster can streamline your operations before committing. So, if you're looking for a way to scale your remote team quickly and efficiently, Oyster is a tool you definitely want to consider. With its comprehensive suite of tools for hiring, onboarding, payroll, compliance, and benefits management, it takes the headache out of managing a global team. And with the exclusive free trial offer, there's no reason not to give it a try. Make sure to check out the link below to get started with Oyster and experience the full range of features that can help you scale your remote team.